Jai Hind students of class 7, good morning to all of you. Students, I am solving the remaining questions of exercise 4B. Last day I have solved question 1 to 4. You have done in homework also. Now I am solving the question number 5. Arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. 5. First question. 2 by 5. 7 by 10, 8 by 15 and 13 by 13. First of all, we shall find out the LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 30. It is 30. So all denominator should be written 30. 30, 30 and 30. Now divide 30 by 5. 5 6 are 30. Now 2 is multiplied by 6. 6 2 are 12. 10 3 are 30. 7 3 are 21. 15 2 are 30. 8 2 are 16. And 31 are 30. 31 are 13. Now we see 12 and 30 is the least number. So 2 by 5 is the lowest number. Next number is 13 by 30, that is 13 by 30, and next number is 16 by 30, that is 8 upon 15, and the greatest number is 21 by 30, that is 7 upon 10. These numbers are arranged in the ascending order and it is the right answer of the question. Now see the third question. Minus 3 by 10, 7 by minus 15, minus 11 upon 20 and 17 upon minus 30. You see that in some denominator minus exists. Now we shall write minus 3 by 10. If plus is divided by minus, it will be minus. That is minus 7 upon 15, minus 11 upon 20, and minus 17 upon 30. Okay? Now you find out the LCM of 10, 15, 20 and 30. That is 60. So you write the denominator 16 in all cases. 16 10 6 are 66, 3 are 18, minus 18, 15 4 are 64, 7 are 28, 20 3 are 60, 11 3 are 33, 30 2 are 16, 17 2 are 34, minus 34. Now you see minus 34 is the least number in this numerator, that is minus 17 by 30 is less than minus 11 upon 20 less than minus 7 upon 15 and minus 3 upon 10. These numbers are arranged in ascending order. Question number 6. Arrange in descending order. First question. Minus 2 upon 5, 7 upon minus 10, minus 11 upon 15 and 19 upon minus 30. minus 30. Okay. We shall write minus 2 by 5 plus is divided by minus, it is minus 7 upon 10 minus 11 upon 15 and plus is divided by minus, it will be minus 19 upon 30. Now what is the LCM of these denominators? 16. Now you will write 16 60 divided by 5 will be 12. 12 to the 24 minus 24. 10 6 are 60. Minus 42. 15 4 are 60. 11 4 are minus 44. And 30 2 are 60. 19 2 are 38. Okay. You see that the greatest number is minus 24 upon 60 is the greatest number. So minus 2 upon 5 is the greater than. Next number is minus 38, that is 19 upon minus 30. And after that minus 7 upon minus 10. And the least number is minus 24 minus 2 minus 11 upon 15. It is the answer of the given question. Okay students. Question number 8. Write 5 rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 2. Minus 3 and minus 2. N equal to 5 rational number. So n plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6. Minus 3 will be written like minus 3 by 1. You multiplied by 6 in numerator and denominator. That is minus 18 upon 6. Minus 2 is multiplied by 6 and 1 is also multiplied by 6, minus 12 upon 6. Now 5 rational number numbers equal to minus 13 upon 6, minus 14 upon 6, minus 15 upon 6, minus 16 upon 6 and minus 17 upon 6. Okay students, you will complete exercise 4B homework. Complete exercise 4B. Okay, thanks students, have a nice day.